Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. So yes, please make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. Before you tune in. So yeah, 1 second here. I'm gonna pull up the other chat here, and honestly, we'll go over the Qs too as well. I'm still interested in this, but do want to see something strong for me to get that re-entry on this. All right, give me 1 second here. So Tesla. I'm gonna pull up the other chat really quickly, and then yeah, we'll get pretty much started here. All right. So pulled up the chat, or pulling it up now, and then yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, yep, telling team we're live now. So give me 1 second. Give me 1 second here. TikTok live now at everyone. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. So, obviously, the swings did amazing. Just waiting on these trades. Obviously, yeah, I'll be honest. I got stopped out on this. I'm finding a re-entry on this one as of right now. I was up, I think, like 30% on it, but stopped at break even just so I can get a little nice run if we can end up getting back into it. I do like how we're still inside that box though. So, and yeah, we'll go over the swings. Swings did absolutely amazing. He said had to go for a walk. Shout out to Glock there. Yo, Twitter guy, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Hold on, give me 1 second. I have to clear this camera really quickly. See if we can get this thing cleared. Let's see. Hopefully it'll clear. So, I mean, obviously, yeah, I could have, stayed in. I wasn't. I do want to find some sort of re-entry on this one just because it's just moving a little bit too slow for me. Obviously, yeah, we still had this upside. So, clear gap up, no consolidation. We did end up breaking under this, bottom wall here. So, yeah, I do want to see if we can get this push. And then, yeah, I'll definitely try that re-entry. But as of this second, I'm just going to chill out. And watch out to see if Tesla can end up hitting my entry. So give me a second here. So Tesla looks good too, and I like this a lot. Obviously the Qs look good. I'll definitely have a re-entry if we can get it. All right, so that's that. So the Qs basically clear gap up, no consolidation. We end up getting a nice break. Obviously I didn't give this one a lot of breathing room, but I feel like we'll eventually do it. I think maybe, possibly, if it does want to happen, end of the day, it looks good, right? There is still that nice gap that I do like that as well. Yo, Kingdom, what's up, bro? Was I an AMD? Man. So, Glock. So, about AMD, bro. Glock had called that out inside the Discord, Friday? And I didn't enter into it. But I mean, I was in a couple other swings, but AMD was, yeah, it was a great position. I know a lot of the members did end up getting in. Shout out to Barbie, yeah, one of the members ended up getting in. She made almost 9,000 just off that play. Send me your Amazon watch list, Glock and Rug. This is Oop has made so much money since I joined. Thank you so much for this awesome group at Put Brothers. Yeah. So yeah, that was a nice little beautiful trade, but yeah, I didn't enter into that one. Dude, yeah, it was wild. Yo, Tyrese, what's up? What's up? Dude, I'm doing amazing, man. Obviously, yeah, I got stopped out of the Qs. I mean, I could have stayed in if I wanted to. But, yeah, I do want to find a re-entry. The price action on this one isn't too great as of this second, so I do want to see if we can get some sort of push before I, try this bad boy again. But yeah, you can see also, on the other swings, Marvel did also amazing. AI had a nice little run too as well. So yeah, nice little good day there. You can see what one member did here on that Marvel call. So you can see what we did there. Also, you see another member there on that little Marvel call. So it made 10K off of that. So yeah, as of right now on Marvel, we ended up having a nice, beautiful gap up. Obviously, do want to see that 93 108.67 and then that 108.67. Those will be my final TPs there. So we'll see if we can get them. Tesla looking pretty close too as well. Oh, that looks really good. Hold on, give me a second. All right, QQQ gonna pretty much stay away from as of this second here. QQQ, I mean, Tesla has a nice little break above. 1 minute left for that candle close. So no, I'm not in the Qs. I was up pretty good, decent amount. I could have trimmed. I didn't end up taking though. I wanted to see those targets hit since, you know, the swings did pretty nice, but that's fine. And this is the whole thing about, you know, if I have to stop out of a trade, cool. You know, I don't give a crap because we have other positions, we had other trades. You can see the swings we were holding. You can see what one member did on Marvel, made what 10K just off of that. You can see best thing to see. SFCI did great. A couple of these swings that we had did amazing. So yeah, I will be honest. I will go ahead and smack this again if we can get it. It still looks good to me, but I just didn't like the price action, so I just went ahead and got out. I had a perfect entry though. I had a really perfect entry. But yeah, if one trade doesn't work, that's fine. That's cool. We can always get into new entries. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, no need for me to lie. Yeah, I got stopped out. Boom. We move on. We got more trades. Obviously, I'll still find that re-entry since it was break even. All right, so Q, still gonna keep an eye on that. Tesla, so no play there yet. BA and MU, yep, gotcha, bro. You said thanks for the follows, man. Really appreciate it. All right, so Tesla's still waiting on that. I'm gonna actually just leave an alert here, see if we can somehow get it. QQQ back in that box there. So yeah, not really moving the way I want it to. All right, so that's there. Tesla looks good. I definitely will try that if we can get it. All right, so BA. Tesla looks good. I think we'll get that though. I think that'll be pretty nice. All right, so BA, we'll go over that, and then so we already went over Marvel, MU as well. All right, so Tesla is trying. Tesla looks really good. Looks like it wants it, but we will see if we can get that nice break. I'll try some starters if we can hold above, but as of right now, no, I'm not getting into anything yet. I want to see something clear. Obviously, you know, we got the end of day swings as well. So on the 1 hour, it closed over this 1 hour box, so I could have took this 1 hour though. But I do want to see if we can clear that nice little 445.99. So we're right at this top wall. Don't mind this box here or these horizontal lines. But yeah, what I can see is, yeah, this empty space. If we can get it, yeah, I'll definitely try it for sure. But yeah, we shall see how everything plays out. All right, so Tesla looking pretty decent. Yo, Victor, what's up, bro? What do I think of the Qs? Man, I still like it. I still will retry it though, if we can get it, right? So we still got this empty space here. It looks good to me. I feel like we may end up just building a box on a 1 hour. If you want my, you know, real life opinion, and Tesla looks good, I'll definitely see if we can try that. But I feel like we may make a box on the 1 hour. But yeah, I'll definitely retry this if we can get it. So it looks like, yeah, we made it. We created another box here. We got to break under that 606.73 area. Tesla's flirting with this top wall. So yeah, if we can get a nice break, looks good. I know I'm pretty much going back and forth through these trades here. We just been kind of going back and forth. I was up like what, 30% on it, so I could have, you know, taken something, but that's not really nothing crazy for me. So all right, so let's see here. All right, so Tesla hovering right above. So yeah, I may have to create maybe a newer box here, or wait for that 1 hour. Just because it's not really moving. I don't really see any decent movement on it. Yo, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So that looks good. Tesla. So Tesla closes in, what, 26 minutes there. What I can also see, okay, could end up taking a lower time frame too. Yo, Kendra, good morning. Good to see you. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna pull up these other stocks here, but yeah, I will be, I got them up on my other screen anyway, so yeah, we can just keep on going since I have them up on my other screens. So let's see here. So yeah, Tesla looks good. I feel like we're toying with this wall here, so we would need some sort of strong break outside this level here. As you can see, sellers are taking that control, so we shall see. All right, so NVDA, BMNR. Yeah, I got you, bro. No worries. Give me 1 second. Give just 1 second here. I'm pulling up all these other charts on my other screen really quickly, and then we can get started. 1 second here. Just give me 1 second. One second here, and then yeah, we'll get started. All right. So yeah, we're pretty much toying with that wall. So I do want to see if we can. Tesla is good to see if we'll reach the next resistance. Yeah, it looks good. It looks decent, right? Don't mean to mess it up, but yeah, we are just currently battling with that top wall. So battling with that consolidation that we would just need to break out of. And other than that, looks good. QQQ, same thing. We're back in the box. May have to tweak this up a bit. So that's there. Let's see, BA. So NVDA, hold on. So BA, we got to do NVDA too as well. All right, so for BA, I will say, it looks like, yeah, we ended up creating another little box here. We can go ahead and get rid of this here. So this is why I say, like, I don't care less if I have to stop out of a trade. So like, let's just say if I would have gotten into this one, obviously yes, I would have had to get stopped out. But yeah, we end up getting a nice break above again, going into this empty space at 220. If we can continue, do want to see that 222.97 area. So that looks really decent. We did that on a nice little 1 hour. So we created another box that we had to get above. Ended up getting above that, hitting those targets there. All right, so Tessie, where are you at? So Tesla's flirting with my box. I'm just gonna wait for a candle close or my end of day swings, since the end of day swings did amazing. What's the point of the box? Is it a trading strategy? So basically, yes, it's a Potter box. This is where we get into, our entries here. This is how we end up cashing marble. You can see what we did today, what a couple members did there. You also see what another member did there on a marble. We used those boxes, and you can see he made what, $10,000 just on that play. Obviously, we had a couple other entries that did well. But yeah, we basically just used those same exact boxes. So these are basically just areas of consolidation, and on that little marble play, we'll briefly go over it. So yes, on this marble play we have, and we haven't even touched my first TP yet. We're dang close, right? So we've been holding this for a minute, and yes, weekly chart. I told the team it may take a little bit of time. Obviously, we had a beautiful entry. We got in. You can see, yes, we end up toying around, and then we ended up getting a gap up. So clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I'm targeting to the upside. In other words, all of these red candles have no green candles interfering. We end up getting a nice breakout from today, or not today, but a couple weeks ago. And then, yes, we end up finally gapping up a bit. So we're targeting this empty space. So this is how one of the members ended up making what, $10,000 just off of that swing there. You could also see more members there. Boom. And yeah, we get in the same place. Obviously AMD, I wasn't in this AMD, but yeah, Glock ended up calling this one out, so shout out to Glock. But yeah, this group has made me so much money since I joined. Thank you so much for this awesome group. She made what, 9K there. Yo, thanks for the follow, bro. Really appreciate it. What stock did Potter make 40K from? I'm not sure. You would have to ask. I am not sure at all. So yeah, I think we did BA. So NVDA. So yeah, this is also another one that looks really good. As you can see, obviously could have, you know, been a nice little scalp there, but nice little break below. We got this empty space above us. Obviously it's only Monday, so we got pretty much all day. So yeah, we got this clear gap down, no consolidation. This looks good to the upside or the downside here. I will say though, so yeah, if we can get some sort of break, Tesla looking pretty decent there. So I got it on my other screen anyways. Honestly, it doesn't look bad for a swing if we can get it. All right, so what, NVDA, let's take a look here. So yeah, as of right now, yo, Gio, thanks for the gift, really appreciate it. So yeah, right now, a lot of these trades were in consolidation or we're not really moving. So crazily, this is why, you know, I do like the swings in the days are pretty decent. You can also see, you know, what one member did on AI. So yeah, we had a nice little AI play. It was up pretty nicely today. It didn't end up trimming though. And yeah, that's it. So the swings did amazing. Obviously, yeah, if I get stopped out of one trade, I can always find a re-entry. Obviously, I think Tesla will be my next victim, though. And for a day trade, if we can get it. I mean, it looks good. It's just, I'm just not wanting to get stopped out. I do want to see some sort of close. Looks really good. He said, I got out of the... Dude, yeah, exactly. So, that's why I will always say, yeah, you know, either I stop out to find that re-entry or, yeah, that's it. I just don't like holding... And yeah, I was in some smalls, nothing crazy. But yeah, I do want to see if we can get a couple more of these entries. So, yo, Queese, what's up, man? Thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. I really appreciate it. Shout out to my guy. So yeah, Tesla, we did that. Marvel, looking good. I think those TPs can end up hitting though. So, and this was a trade we ended up calling back weeks ago, right? So, I don't even remember when we first called it out, but it's like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, you can see those TPs ended up doing well. A couple of those TPs ended up hitting too as well. So I got to post what we did today. But yeah, some trades may take a couple days. Some may take a couple weeks. See Marvel, best thing to see. Marvel letting 20 cons ride out. You can see different members, more members made what, 10K off of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. AI, you can see, shout out to Fabi, shout out to the ladies, what she did there. So yeah, pretty decent day. Obviously the day trades are still kind of stalling. So I'm not really in a rush. I do like Tesla though, so I'll definitely try it if we can. If we can get it, I'll definitely try it. All right, but anyways, we'll keep on going. I'll stop yapping about it since I have it up on my other screen. What do I think of BMNR? So hold on. We did it. Well, we didn't do MU. We did NVDA. So BMNR. Honestly, so for the first time on this one, I have my alerts pretty much set on it. What I can see here, it's clear as day for me. I like it. So yeah, we got this what, clear gap down, no consolidation. We got a nice POTTERBOX. Do you want to see over that 64, 69? And yeah, I'll definitely take it if we can get it. So looks good. All right, Tesla moving to 4. Okay. So BMNR, AMD. Yo, yes, what's up? I'm not gonna lie, AMD. Yeah, I really don't have any words for it. Right. We ended up, and shout out to Glock for that call out. We ended up going up obviously now, yes, we end up creating some empty space below us. It doesn't look too bad. So I knew, yeah, we were going to have a little bit of selling pressure here. I do like this. So I like the 30-minute the best. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Not too bad at all. One second. All right, 1 second here. Well, and yeah, we'll keep on continuing. All right. My bad, guys. My bad. Yo, Zach, thanks for sharing the live stream, really appreciate it. All right, so my bad about this, guys. My bad. I was typing, looking at all the other chats, things of that sort. But yeah, as of right now, what I can see here on AMD, yes, we ended up gapping up. As you can see, yes, nice, beautiful top, bottom wall here. We end up getting a nice break under this bottom wall, this bottom level. I don't see any resistance down until this 166. So yeah, it looks good, looks decent. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want. And that is that 185 area. So right now we're still inside that box, inside of this area of consolidation. So I'm not really, you know, forcing this. Do want to see, yeah, if we can get under there. Looks good. So Tesla, I'll be honest, I do want to wait for some sort of close on this before I end up trying this. He said, I've been shorting. Dude, yeah. I will say a lot of times when a stock does go like that, and man, shout out to Glock, bro. I can't. Yeah, crazy. He called this out inside our Discord, inside the VIP chat. So that's one of the mods. Man, this group has made me so much money since I joined. Thank you so much for this awesome group at Put Brothers. Yeah, not just. Yeah, so that was a beautiful play from our mod. Glock. Yeah, crazy. What I can see is, yeah, a lot of times when we do end up going up crazy like that, I'm not gonna say all the time, but yeah, a lot of times we could see a lot of selling pressure, and that's exactly what happened. We went up to this, what, 227 area. We ended up dropping. We're down at this 208, so that's pretty much it for that. Dude, yeah. Even I was pretty stunned on that. I was like, wow, that moved pretty wild, man. Obviously, no, I wasn't in this one. A few of the members did end up getting in from his call out, but yeah, I missed it. Had a couple other swings that did absolutely amazing though. But yeah, that was definitely the play of the day. So yeah, shout out to Glock, and yeah, I'm glad at least, you know, some of the members did end up catching that one. So yeah, we worked together as a team. Obviously, if one trade doesn't work, obviously I got stopped out on the queues. I don't give a crap. You can see what we did on the other positions. You can see what we did on Marvel. Oh, I got to turn that back on, so I'll turn that back on in a second, so no worries. See what another member did on Marvel. Made $10,000 off of that. A little play there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, give me 1 second. I got to put this back up, this PC thing. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, if I get stopped out of a trade, cool. I don't give a crap. There's more trades, more opportunities. We're looking for that higher time frame. You can see what we did on AI. SFCI did amazing too as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, crazy move, man. You know what? So the crazy thing is, like, about AMD. We already caught a beautiful entry on that. I was gonna hold like a runner, but I don't know why I didn't. So we caught this literally last week. So this is on Thursday, right? So before the aftermath. And then, yeah, we ended up getting a nice little play on it, nice little position there. And it was beautiful. It was a nice little trade. But, yeah, I knew it wanted to fill that empty space above us up to here. But so my final was at 183. But, yeah, I went even further from my final target there. Well, so that was pretty much the crazy part. So we already caught. We had a beautiful little play. So I think a few of the members still held from that position from Thursday. But since we already kind of like caught it, I was like, all right, whatever. But yeah, you can see this was from Thursday. So literally October the 2nd. You can see we were at that 162. That's when we got in. Yeah, beautiful move there. So yeah, yeah, we caught the little piece of the pie, and then Glock said, yeah, I need that cherry on top. So boom. All right, so let's see. Tesla, nothing there yet. Let's see. Hold on, give me a second here. All right, Tesla. Let me see. Q's got to be moving here. All right, so pretty much in that box. All right, so this is the reason why I wanted to wait on Tesla, at least for today. I told the team, yeah, let's just wait for some candle closes. Today is definitely one of those days, right? So clear gap down, no consolidation. We ended up getting a nice break above. We couldn't hold above. We couldn't even, you know, stay above at all. As you can see, I'm not going to enter into this. I'm going to wait for some sort of candle close or to see some sort of better price action here as we wait for those end of day swings. Obviously, yeah, I mean, I do want at least one good day trade, one or two, but yeah, I don't care. We did, really nice on the swings. So yeah, we shall see how everything plays out. One second. All right. One second here. Freaking wild, man. Yeah, that's so wild. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. So we did BA. We already did AMD, MU. So let's see here. So the Qs, I think there could still be another, re-entry on this. Maybe I'll try it on that 674 area. So we'll have to see. So I might just tweak this box a bit. So that's what I'm seeing now, if I do want to find that re-entry. So it looks like we did end up establishing more there as well. I don't dare participate. So yeah, on a day like today, I told the members, I was like, look, even if I do get this little QQ play, it's going to be smalls for me. I know how, this price action can be sometimes. Obviously, the swings did amazing. The swings did what they needed to do, of course. As for, see what one member did on that AI play. Hold on. Marvel, obviously, one member made, what, $10,000 just off that play, or almost 10K. You can see, yes, not just them, but, yes, more members on that little Marvel play. So, yeah, it worked out good. It was, it was amazing little, day there for sure. But, yeah, as of right now, yeah, it looks like we're still inside these boxes. If we're in these boxes, I'm going to wait. I'm gonna relax. Yo, Judah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so okay. So Tesla's still waiting on that little close there. Yes, I gotta get this ad off my screen too as well. So 1 second here. All right, okay, so I'm gonna get that off my screen here. Then yes, guys, give me 1 second. I will be right back. Gonna give me some more water as we continue. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. You see what we do here. And yeah, yeah, it was... So our swings did nice, but yeah. Today was... Glock had some beautiful call-outs for the team. So yeah, shout out to Glock. Crazy, but yeah, you can see also what we also did in the VIP chat too as well. But anyways, yes, give me 1 second. I will be right back. So yes, this Discord link is in the bio if you want to join. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. So yes, 1 second. I'll be right back here. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second here. Yo, Glock is going crazy today. That is so wild. All right, so let's keep on going. So Tesla still waiting on that. I do want to see if we can get that nice close there. AMD did its thing, of course. Marvel still yet to hit my final TPs. But yeah, ended up trimming nicely as well. How did you see AMD coming? So for AMD, well, that was a trade that we already had since last week. So you could see, hold on, where's AMD at? So you can see, yes, we had the empty space here, that clear gap down, no consolidation. We end up getting a nice break above, going into this upside here. Obviously, there was just more empty space above. But yeah, Glock called that one out, so you're going to have to talk to him about that one. But yeah, what a crazy trade that I wasn't even in. So yeah, if I miss a trade, obviously, you know, a lot of members end up catching that one. But yeah, if I miss a trade, cool. There's always going to be another one. Dude, man, Potter, crazy. And the crazy thing is, we smacked AMD last week. Like, I kid you not, I made a crazy bag off of AMD last week, right? And yeah, yeah, that's wild. To see it do that, it's just crazy, man. So yeah, no other words, pretty much. So yeah, pretty wild. Obviously, yes, a lot of selling pressure here. Ended up dropping down there as well. Yo, Kenny, no worries. And yeah, you know, if you miss out on one trade, it's fine. It's cool. You know, don't get yourself down about it. Obviously, there's other crazy trades that that I'm missing right now that I don't even know that's happening. But yeah, just shake it off. You can always, you know, look for another entry, another trade. And that's pretty much it, man. All right, so we'll keep on going. So yeah, this is TradingView. So I'm using TradingView for my analysis. Obviously, brokers, Webull, TradeStation, things of that sort. Yo, Wolf, yeah, no worries. Yeah, always another play. Like, if I end up, like, let's say, dang, I missed this play here. If I'm down about that little play, like, dang, I missed it. Dang, I don't know what to do with myself. I'm just missing out on more opportunities. So, there's always more for sure. Yo, Potter Sucks, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Thanks for tapping the screen. Hope you're having a blessed one, my guy. make sure to go give POTTERBOX a follow as well, man. I do want Tesla though, so I'll probably wait for a candle close on this one if we can get it, which looks good. So do want to see if we can get some sort of retest there. So TSLL as well. Hi man, how are you? Dude, I'm doing good, man. Hope you're doing well too. So what? TSLL. Okay. Bro has it. So yeah, I got my pin today, bro. I got my pin, I'm ready. So TSLO, I will say, yeah, we already broke above this top wall, right? So we already had this nice break above. Looks like we're just tapping above this empty space now. So do want to see if we can possibly get this continuation to this upside. So that's just what I'm seeing. Looks really good. Entry, exit, middle of the move. Not too bad, not too bad. So that's on TSLL. Yo, Wise Guy, yeah, he's great, man. He said, what are we buying? I'm looking for a couple of these plays. So, you know, Tesla looks good. We're just toying with this wall. So we got to be very careful with this. I feel like it could happen. It's just, Alright, so yeah, we're pretty much toying with that wall there. Do need to see if we can get that nice clear break. Yo, Christopher, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. So yeah, we shall see. Marvel did its thing today. Obviously, yes, this is a swing we already had. Yo, Boo, what's up? Yeah, I think so. I think just maybe a day or a couple days before the real move happened, I guess you could say. So Tesla, we did. So we're technically still right at this wall. I can see that we closed just a bit above, just a bit. It's just not as strong, I will say, from what I can see. But yeah, man. So I may end up trying these as well. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. So yes, I'm pretty much just gonna maybe try one of these day trades here, and then yeah, get ready for those end of day swings. Obviously the swings did amazing. I can't complain at all. You can also see it did amazing for a couple other these members here. Best thing to see. That was on that Marvel call there. Also, you can see another member ended up making, so different member made what, 10K off of that little play there. So same thing on Marvel. Obviously, I got stopped out on the Qs today. Obviously, if I get stopped out of one play, that's cool. There's always going to be another play here. But yeah, I will be inside of my Discord now. I will work on those end of day swings, and then yeah, we're going to see how things play out today. We'll see. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. I'll either see you inside of the Discord or inside of my next live stream that we end up doing end of day. So yes, thank you all so much. Have a blessed one all. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.